Okay, what would be a red hot hook for this intro? Welcome everybody, this is episode 25 and today's episode is the red hook. Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Let's just get straight into making this cocktail. If you want the details and history of it, it's going to be in the description below. Grab a mixing glass. We're going to go 2 ounces of our rye whiskey. Today we're using Sazerac. We're then going to go half an ounce of Luxardo maraschino liqueur. This is going to add our sweetness to the drink today. And then we're going to go half an ounce of our Punti Mez. Smells good. And to this, we're going to add some ice. The old H2O croutons, and then we're going to give this a stir for about 15 to 20 seconds. Like and subscribe, maybe, if you want. Take a pre-chilled glass. And we're just gonna strain this in. If I can find my strainer. Find the strainer. Let's go. Get it in the glass. So this drink is pretty similar to the Bensonhurst and the Green Point cocktail I've already made in the channel, and probably the Little Italy, which is very similar too. Give it a little sippy sip. And this is another classic Manhattan variation, pretty much. Spicy notes from the rye up front. Get a little bit of the fruitiness coming from the maraschino. And the Punti Mez is there. All in all, another great little sipper. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.